what I'm doing? I'm making my own grow bags. I went and I priced grow bags at Dollarama, and they're $4.50 each. These really big shopping bags at Dollarama are 50 cents each. So a grow bag's 9 times the money. The only thing is these Dollarama bags, the seam, it looks like they're not sewn. I think it looks like they're almost melted. They're pressed heat to make the seam. So I'm just running a seam along their seam to reinforce it. And even if these last a year, I can have 9 of these for the price of 1 grow bag. So 9 of them. Don't know how long grow bags will last, but for me, for starting another garden, a bigger area, the cost for grow bags or making raised garden beds will be way too much. So this way, I think I have found a way. I'm going to turn it inside out too. Like, we're not going to see Dollarama from the road. So I'm just going to turn them inside out after I've reinforced the seams. You just have one on the bottom and one on the side in here. Quick and easy. Turn them inside out, fill them full of dirt. And I'm hoping I can show you what I'm going to set them on. You could set them right on the ground if you like, but I have an idea, and that might just be a later video. Anywho, let's save some money and let's grow our own food.